Calling all because I know because Calling.
What is it?
Jake plays a photo Jake. What's the ugly one out of on camera?
Cuss if you want.
You must say what you do.
No, mine first. Sorry.
Alright, big up on yourself.
Black one look pretty nice.
It's just a calm and collective video. No heap of excitement. Yeah man, just a normal day yard. No 2 days are the same. No 2 days are alike. Yeah man, so you know it's something go. As we progress, just vlog it and send it on over to you. Come on yard. Up and active as I said with the investment. And I woke up this evening. Well, I got a shop. Yeah man. You know it's something go. No place like yard man. Magnificent view. And the birds them sound so sweet. Well, come on yard. You know something go guys with the stack up here man. Come on yard man. My apologies to me rugged looking at guys, but you know something go. Go there yard and check it. There. I'd say on top of the night. Yeah man, I take a walk guys. Always I drive, you know. Yeah man, you know when you go. One sit up on the road I walk. Them yang for days. But anyway, as I was saying guys. Yeah, the car pass. But as I was saying guys, I'm up on active and I see the vehicle down at the moment. Yeah man, and you know me already can't make that stop me, so I have to get up and get about same way. Yeah man, so we just walk the journey. I walk go by Biggs and then never go by the shop. Probably get a few stuff. Preferably at the moment crackers. Yeah man. Stay with me guys. I'm not that much of a tea person, but I'm always try to get, hold on there guys, let me see if I can turn on some light so y'all can see. Yeah man, I'm actually out on the common at the moment. Yeah, heading towards Rebel Library High School. Yeah, but as I was saying, crackers is on the menu and tea. Yeah man, just keeping it simple, I'd say. But I have to turn on the light guys, so I can see where I put my foot. Yeah, from the other day we get some weather and you know the rain, the place kind of sappy away. We don't want to step in any mud. Yeah man, and I kind of cut through a little shortcut, I'd say, country style. Yeah man, and I don't want to step in any cow poo. Yeah man, I don't want to step in a cow shit as would I say. Yeah, that got me almost stepping in mud. You see that guys? Look at that. Water. And mud. Yeah, man. I have to hold down the camera as the light not bright enough for y'all can see everything. But that's the school over there. I will undergo. Don't want to step into that, guys. By accident. Yeah, man. But I'm gonna link up with Biggs for a few, and you know it's a bit early, I'd say, about after 8 in the afternoon. Yeah, man. Well, basically at night, as y'all can see. Yeah, man. But as I said, I'll link up with Big Bro. Spend a few minutes to get a snack or something from the shop, and then try to hand back home. Yeah, man. Sometimes I wish this place would be a bit more brighter in terms of lighting. Yeah, but you know, it's country, so we have to experience some darkness. Yeah, man. But I'm active on that chapel, guys. So y'all will get to see me when you get there. Well, when we get there. Yeah, man. This is it, man. Over active. Yeah, guys, just approach Robert Light we're in high school. Yep. Place dark, man. Real dark. If you are scared of the dark, please don't come out after 6. Can't follow me, guys. Yeah, man, but this is the school that I used to attend. Y'all get to see it another day. Well, I guess y'all see it already. Yeah, man. Because you know we've been up and active all over the place. Yeah, guys, but that is it, guys. Place in the darkness, security there work though. Yeah, man, security there on the block of chocolate. This here street light ain't working. Hopefully them will fix it soon and very soon. Yeah, man, but Robert Light when I. Yeah, guys. Up and active, see, man. Still chuckling. Yeah, man. Not reach Big's foot yet. But we soon reach, guys. I'm out on the main road. Yeah, man. I'm gonna show y'all a clip of in the day how it looks, and you know it go. When night come down, this is it. Pitch black, man. Just me and the peony wallies. But anyway, shed some light on the situation. We're on the go and come along on the journey. Yeah, guys. Funny enough, you have a vehicle coming, so you always see a little bit of what's taking place, and the location that I'm at the moment is my regular route, I'd say. Yeah, man. So come on, yeah. Up on it, guys. Yeah, guys, just start seeing some progress. Just start reaching community now. Yeah, man. This is actually Trinityville side. Yeah, man. I reside in the community of Georgia. Yeah, so Biggs live on the other side of the community. That's Trinityville. Yeah, man. So what happened now? Yeah, tried to link up with Big Bro. He's not actually at home at the moment, but you know, it's something go. Well, link up. Yeah, man. Yeah, you see when we reach. Most naturally. Up and active, guys. Come my yard. Oh, I didn't drive. I drive some way on the road, man. Tell ya. It's sad, man. Really sad that me walk on the other side, guys. As I can't manage the energy with them already did shout. Yeah. Hey guys, I reach community at the moment, as you can see. Stop by Ava. Yeah, man. Just a chill a few. Yeah, man. Biggs around the corner and play that. You know the energy, guys. It's a blessed night, man. But the lighting set away, guys. So you know it's something go. But they are chuckle. This is yeah, that's it, man. Shed some light on the situation. Come on, yeah. Hey guys, they here stop off place.
I want
No, holy pan is on the top of the day. I wish I could have showed you what's popping, but you know it's on. Yeah man, we just there, be like, keeping it positive as usual. We'll see the others. You know it's on.
I win my win, I drop one, I don't know what that's.
Guys, I'm on my way back home, but y'all know the energy now. Yeah man, if you watch the video to this far, it means that we're coming to an end. Yeah man, I appreciate y'all support. You know, you can pop by anytime you feel, please. Come my yard man. Up and active and I'll go get some rest. So stay strong guys. As always. Love and love alone, man. Ah, big bro. You know energy go guys, overactive this month. Just the air spread love. Big bro. Yeah man, no place like yard guys. It's a blessing. Trust me. Whew. Tell you man, nice to go walk. This is what I'm loving at the community guys. From the other day, well, not necessarily from the other day, but you know, the police officers them more frequent. Yeah man, and the place I'd say more safer. Yeah man, folks more focused on making money the positive way. Oh big bro, heart I love man. Yeah man, yeah chocolate. Active big bro. Yeah guys, as we say, it's a blessed day.